Ever wondered why your gut health is so essential for your overall well-being? Well, it's more than just digestion. It's about immunity. It's about mood regulation. You see, your gut is a complex system that communicates with your brain and other parts of your body. It's home to trillions of microbes that influence your physical and mental health. From breaking down food and absorbing nutrients to fighting off harmful bacteria and influencing your mood, your gut is a critical player. Unlock the secret to great health by boosting your gut health. Tip 1. Hydrate, hydrate, and hydrate. It might sound simple, but hydration plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. You see, water helps break down the food we eat, making it easier for our bodies to absorb nutrients. It also softens our stool, preventing constipation. So don't wait until you're thirsty to drink water. Make it your routine to sip on water throughout the day. Remember, water is your gut's best friend. Tip 2. Amp up your fiber intake. Now, let's talk about fiber. This nutrient is a crucial player in your digestion game, acting like a cleanup crew for your gut. Think of fiber as a broom, sweeping through your digestive tract, keeping things moving smoothly and efficiently. It's also a champion in making you feel fuller for longer, aiding in weight management. So where can you find this fantastic nutrient? Fruits are a delicious source of fiber. An apple a day does keep the doctor away, especially when it comes to gut health. Vegetables, too, are fiber powerhouses. Think broccoli, carrots, and spinach. And let's not forget whole grains. Foods like brown rice, oatmeal, and whole wheat bread are not only tasty but packed with fiber. Remember, a happy gut is a fiber-fed gut. So don't skimp on these fiber-rich foods. Feed your gut with fiber and it will thank you. Scene script. Tip 3. Say yes to probiotics and prebiotics. Now, let's talk about these two superheroes of our gut health. Probiotics are the good bacteria that live in our digestive system. They help break down food, absorb nutrients, and fight off harmful bacteria. And where do they come from? You can find them in foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and other fermented foods. On the other hand, prebiotics are the food for these good bacteria. They're mainly found in fiber-rich foods like whole grains, bananas, onions, and garlic. By feeding our guts good bacteria, prebiotics help them thrive and outnumber the bad bacteria, leading to a healthier gut. So, by incorporating probiotics and prebiotics into your diet, you're essentially creating a strong and healthy gut army. Remember, a balanced gut can lead to better digestion, a stronger immune system, and overall better health. Your gut needs these friendly bacteria to thrive. Tip 4. Limit processed foods. These foods may be quick and convenient, but they're not friends to your gut. Packed with additives, preservatives, and often high in sugars, they can disrupt the fine balance of your gut flora, leading to digestive discomfort. Instead, focus on fresh, natural foods. Fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains. These are the real MVPs of gut health, providing essential nutrients without the unnecessary extras. So remember, when it comes to feeding your gut, fresh is best. Tips 5, 6, and 7. Move your body, sleep well, and eat mindfully. These 3 tips are the trifecta of overall health, with a significant impact on your digestive system. Let's start with moving your body. Regular physical activity, be it brisk walking, swimming, or a heart-pounding gym session, can work wonders for your gut health. Exercise enhances the speed of digestion, preventing constipation by moving food through the digestive tract more efficiently. Plus, it's a well-known stress buster, and we all know that a happy mind equates to a happy gut. Next, we have the magic of sleep. Ever wondered why you feel off when you don't get enough shut-eye? That's because sleep deprivation can mess with your gut flora, the beneficial bacteria that play a crucial role in digestion. Adequate sleep, on the other hand, allows your body to rest and repair, including your gut. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night for optimal gut health. Last but not least, let's talk about mindful eating. In today's fast-paced world, we often eat on the go, barely tasting our food. But did you know that digestion actually begins in the mouth? When you eat mindfully, you chew your food thoroughly, allowing enzymes in your saliva to start breaking down food, making it easier for your gut to absorb nutrients. Plus, When you savor your food, you're less likely to overeat, reducing the risk of digestive discomfort. In essence, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and mindful eating are not just good for your gut, they're essential for your overall health. They help maintain a healthy weight, boost your immune system, improve your mood, and yes, keep your gut happy and healthy. So lace up those sneakers, hit the sack early, and savor each bite. Treat your body well, and your gut will follow suit. To recap, here are the 7 gut-boosting tips we've discussed today. First, hydrate well. Water is the foundation of life, and it's no different for your digestive system. It helps to break down food so your body can absorb the nutrients. Remember, hydration is key. Second, be sure to include fiber-rich foods in your diet. Foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are your gut's best friend. They aid in digestion and keep everything running smoothly. Third, don't forget about the power of probiotics and prebiotics. These beneficial bacteria keep your gut healthy by balancing the good and bad bacteria in your digestive system. You can find them in foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and bananas. Fourth, limit processed foods. These are often high in unhealthy fats and sugars, which can cause inflammation and disrupt your gut health. Fifth, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and mindful eating are the golden trio for gut health. Regular exercise helps to stimulate your digestive system, while adequate sleep allows your body to rest and repair. Mindful eating, on the other hand, encourages you to slow down and enjoy your food, which can improve your digestion. Boost your gut health with these tips and unlock the secret to great health. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut.